This is Freddy over at Platinum Auto World. Today I want to take a quick look at this SUV that just came in. This right here is a 2008 GMC Yukon XL Denali all-wheel drive with a 6.2 liter V8. It has 156,000 miles. It's a very nice car. It runs very well. All the options are working like they're supposed to. Let's go ahead and start walking around it. The body's in phenomenal shape. It's straight. There is no dings or dents that I could notice. Headlights are nice and bright. Your hood is nice and shiny. It comes with all matching tires. We have Goodyear Eagle LS2s, and we just installed them less than probably 10 miles ago. Like I was mentioning, the body is very straight. It comes loaded with all the normal power options plus some more. It comes with remote start. We have dual power and heated front seats, power and heated rear captain seats, removable third bench. All the wheels are in great shape. They're not peeling. Your handles are over there. They're working perfectly fine. Comes with the sunroof. I just opened it. Let me show you a little bit of the interior. We're gonna go ahead and use the remote start here. Your handles are in good shape. Nice wood grain interior. We're gonna go through some of the features inside here in a second. Here we go. We have the remote start. There we go. You press the lock key twice and press and hold the center key, and then it should give you a feedback that it worked. The lights should blink. The tail lights should blink as well. We also have lock, unlock, remote start. You can also do your full lift gate. There it is. It's opening up, and that can be done with your remote. It's actually very useful if your hands are full and you're walking out of the grocery store with a bunch of bags and stuff. You can actually close it as well. There we go. You right here also have this hatch right here that pops open with the remote as well, if you don't want to open the full gate. But that's a very neat feature to have in these vehicles. Nice luxury luggage rack. One thing I want to point out also, it's you have the two captain seats back here, and they are powered and heated as well. There is your rear entertainment. There is actually this button right on this side right here. I don't know if you can see it, but if you hit it once, the seat actually folds down by itself, and it will do that all by itself. Both seats are working, and that right there is your back seat. You can remove that if you want. It's got the steps right there in the back of the seat on how to remove both of them, so you can have a bigger trunk space if you have to carry something bigger than what's in the space back there. It's a nice clean vehicle. Want to put this key in here and close your sunroof so you can see that it does work. It's a one-touch sunroof. Just click it once and it should close or open by itself. You also have the vent right here, this vent that opens up, or you can close it up. Also, you can do the lift gate with these buttons here as well, or you can do the seats like I was showing you. Let me go ahead and put this one back. and you can hit this 2 buttons right here, and it would do both seats in the back. There we go. Very neat. You got heated steering, dual power, heated seats, nice clear headlights. And this is a nice car. There you go. 156 on the mile. You got a on the shifter, you can actually put it in manual, where you can go through 1 through 6. Okay. We also have backup camera, which is neat to have. It's not too long of a vehicle, but it comes in handy when you're in tight spots. We also have navigation right there. Right now it says that it's 100 degrees out there. It's a little hot. But anyhow, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm not gonna go out there and drive. It's not safe to be on the phone recording the video and driving on the highway. Give us a call at 540-898-8300. Feel free to check out this video on YouTube, on our channel, or go to our website, driveplatinum.com. Well, you'll find over 40 or 50 pictures of this vehicle. One thing I want to mention before I leave, all the wheels are in good shape. They're not pitted. So just keep that in mind. 540-898-8300, driveplatinum.com.